Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of
Halloween channel.
So today I'm gonna show you my brother game because I cannot play it right now. It's low battery. So this is the game about a pixel gun 3D. It's about we fight each other with the gun. Oh my god, what is that? Oh, anyway, oh my god, shoot him, kill him. I am a spy.
Dead. So dead.
So, in my game, I draw many of character of Team Fortress, right?
Yep.
Pyro, NG, Scout, Heavy. I buy Heavy for the gun, right?
But my one is still better than yours.
And you make me down the cup. I really hate. Oh my god, is that enemy?
Anti-hero.
I knew it.
God.
Hey,
God
maybe he don't have the name.
I will slap you face.
Spy. So this way we just can use the sniper, right? So we have to carefully like that guy. Okay,
No. If I don't move right now, he kill me. Oh my god. Okay, first of all, that's one shot. Second of all, how did it take me out? I'm coming for you.
Yesterday we have a battle. I just Heavy. And today in the morning I just buy the Dragon. What's that name, brother?
Dragon breath.
Oh right. I just buy it because I have 147 cream.
It's jam, not cream.
Jam. And I gotta let the money for 125 to
Double
buy
kill. Oh,
another.
God,
Okay.
This is the revenge.
Okay.
Kill.
I have a lot of, and the special one.
Darn it! That guy is in our base. Need to kill him right now.
Yep. And I have a special. My name is Shango Fat, and I have a special shirt. Is no one gonna know it because I draw a Shango Fat. Oh my god! I just tell you guys sorry. Okay. Oh my god! Stop! Oh! Kill him! Use a pistol! Yeah! Shoot him!
I don't know about this. This is stupid.
Boom! Yeah, baby.
This is no. God damn it, Kraken.
Dragon.
His name is Kraken, and he just killed me with another hero blaster.
Anti-hero. It's an anti-hero, not a bingo bagel. Understand?
Ow! God.
Oh no, he gonna lose, and he will definitely he
Ouch.
gonna die.
Oh, I lose 3 cups. That means I have to be in first place. Oh, else.
You
Yep.
are the
kills.
okay. A random match. Okay. You like D-Day?
Fine to me.
D-Day is a new place, right? It's about war.
Yep.
Minigun shotgun. What
D-Day
is
for
that?
what? Independence Day or Demolition Day?
I don't know, but look at that.
Well, let's fight for our team. Hey! Hello, partner.
He's gonna die.
What did I fall
Hey,
in?
it's
I fall in
your
nothing
smart bazooka is a legend type.
Ow!
Don't kill yourself like that. What the hell?
I think about me into a mine.
No.
And now I got killed.
Hey, how can you still alive when you blow up?
I buy a resurrection.
Where?
Eat that ass face.
Where? Can you show me?
Nope, not now.
Okay, fine.
Run.
Yeah. Hoya.
Hiya.
Ouch.
Darn it. Oh my god, those are birds. Those are big birds.
Is that a
Boom.
bird?
Boom.
Is that your
Boom.
thing?
Boom.
Is
Oh
that
my god, I'm wasting my bullet. It's our
Use a heavy gun.
Boom.
Hey, how could that gun shoot the dragon? Right? How could that gun shoot the dragon?
That is stupid. That is totally stupid.
He thought you did, and maybe...
You leave me.
Demon Man! Boom!
I'm not Devil Man.
Demon Man!
But
Holy cow!
what the hell is this?
What the hell is that? He have 2 of the sniper type.
Eat this.
He dead. Careful, his dinosaur.
Die. Oh yeah. Oh no.
Hey, do you have a legendary pet?
No. Yes.
Where?
And he's dead. I think my game, it got crashed. Now it's back to normal.
You have a...
Don't it stay away!
What pet is legendary?
Boom. Parade horse. The parade horse.
Oh, I thought you
I
have...
think I just stepped into a mine.
No, there's mine over there.
Mine are every... Where?
Yeah.
Pump. Badoo.
I thought this.
It's serving! Boom.
Why you don't put the sentry?
I don't want to. The sentries suck in the same way. I'm ridiculously stupid.
I see it's good. It can shoot far away.
Boom. Booyah.
You just said right.
Yep, and also my sentry. Let's go, my sentry.
Oh my god. A demon? What is that?
Those are horrible.
Don't step on mine again. If you step on it one time. Oh my god! Kill him!
Someone must know I'm here.
How could that gun shoot out of the dragon, huh?
That gun didn't shoot out the truck. Holy cow, he doesn't know I'm here.
Oh my god.
I gotta take out the fridges and play the spinner.
How can...
Oh god, I must stand at the last place. No, 3rd place. Well, still terrible.
Yep. This is a little hard, right?
My skin more beautiful than yours.
But you just have a short character.
My
Oh
skin's
my
still better.
god. Oh my god. What is this?
No, I'm not gonna bite it. I'm not gonna bite it.
Chainsaw. It's just a normal chainsaw. You have a big...
machete.
Ooh, bigger chainsaw. Is it good?
No, that's terrible.
Yo combat. Yo. There's a shooting, but shoot when you want to try the gun.
Okay, I'm gonna join this guy team. Oh my god!
How could that gun shoot out of the dragon?
That gun didn't shoot out.
And how this dragon?
Stupid Ronaldo. I need to snipe.
Oh, prototype! Yay!
Promo type on the most sucking thing in the world.
Hey, I have it. So you say I'm sucking, so I'm gonna kill you if I can. Oh my god, is that the rocket?
I think I just blasted one of the rockets.
Ah!
Oh my god, that guy is sitting near me. I should stay more attention. Okay, rocket out.
Smaller bazooka is a type of bomb smiling. How cool, you just did again.
This guy is
Yay.
stupid. This guy is stupid in many ways. So I'm gonna take the candy cane and blast them in the head.
Hey, you know candy cane just a food.
No, it's a
Say-
melee weapon. It's a type of melee weapon.
And why you just dead? Oh my god, oh my god.
Deploy the bullet.
Ouch. That hurt.
That hurt like a lot.
Is your sentry broken?
Hiya!
It don't do any damage.
It did. It do a lot of damage.
Throw a grenade!
Eat this! Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Oh my god, we are demolition.
We are losing.
We are demolating. We are devastating.
Devastated! Right. Oh my god, everyone have that gun.
I don't have it. And you too.
Yeah, I told everyone. That means another player, not we, okay? Everyone have that gun except us. Everyone. It's like the strongest gun. It can control the balloonies.
Resurrection.
Die again. Because you step on the mine. You left what? You didn't want.
It's some of this in your head.
Just it.
I know this was gun when I'm supposed to fight at a far range.
You seriously, if you knock out a pet, I will slap over your head.
How could I did? Alright, one question. How could I did? When I strike you!
Just it again.
I'm not going to use the masked man. Eat this!
Roland, yeah, listen out.
Okay, who throw the nuke? Okay, I'm keep losing like this. I'm not gonna like it. So I'm gonna spend a day on the beach.
Whatever.
Maybe my target. Maybe I need to spend a day on the beach.
Yeah, maybe.
Go to sandbox.
Sandbox.
Oh, by the way, I'm Pirate Captain 91087.
If you want to play Pixel again, play with us. So, when I play squad, I will invite you guys.
Yeah, this is my skin. I made it myself, but I also made a lot of more. But this is my favorite one.
It doesn't look like pirate at all.
Well, I have cool skin, and this is a spy, I think.
That's fine. That made it. It's ugly.
You is ugly.
What's that?
A bully. A gangster. Zombie. I made it all myself.
A zombie? Can I check it? What the? What is that eye? What's it so ugly?
It's a zombie from
Blind versus zombie.
Yep.
I know. Hey, get. Yeah, do you bring the firewood gun? Hey, how can you? Alright, you have that. Yes, he just have one thing. Yes. Yes. He don't have a balloon like me. Yes.
And do you have a snowball?
No. Get away. What? Yeah. Are you serious?
I'm gonna drain my grenade throwing skill by throwing at that guy. What about in a pack?
It don't count. See, he. Oh my gosh.
Grenade incoming! Boom.
Smarty? What?
Incoming!
What? Is the monkey just teleporting?
Okay, enough resting.
So, this is the end of the episode. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we wait. and we see you on the next video and help you find us and shooting. Bye.